Digital Business Card Tutorial. Create your digital business card in 3 simple steps. Choose a template. Select a template from the rich gallery. Adjust your content and branding using the online editor. To update the title, double-click the text and edit. To delete an image, select it and press Delete. To change the text color, double-click and open the color picker. To update an image, select the image you wish to replace. On the top left side, click on the settings icon and then press Image. You can now pick your new desired image and click on it. Publish with a single click. Now your digital business card is available for display on all platforms: Windows, browser, Android, Apple or Android TV. Try now for free. GoMixApp.com.